Hi guys, we're going to do a little video about some accessories. I was at Walmart and I was also at Target and Sally's, and I just saw some of the cutest accessories. So I thought, you know what, it is time to do a video about how to accessorize. I've got some fun things to show you. I want to do some different hairstyles. So please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Push the subscribe button down at the bottom and you won't miss any of my other videos that I put out. So I got these fun headbands. I think that they are so cute and so adorable. So a really easy way, a really fun way to be able to wear them is just to put them, obviously super easy, but to put them into your hair like this. You can curl your hair if you want to and put it in, or you can just wear it straight, but I think it's just super fun to be able to add a little bit of detail to your everyday hairstyle. Sometimes I do like a little bit of a part in it, like this, and then I put the headband in so that you have a little bit going to the side, so it doesn't just look like it's straight back. I have a larger forehead, and so it's important for me to be able to kind of knock it off a little bit by putting things to the side like that. I got a little carried away, so I got a gray one because they're so cute. And then I also got a red one, and I think the red one is fun. Okay, so we can part it to the side like this. Make sure that these are tucked out. Put it in. We can take our comb, do some back combing. This has a really cool like 50s vibe to it, so this would be cute too. To have a little bit of a bump, my trusty comb that I always love to use. Now have fallen in love with it. Pull this back like this. Let's put it in the ponytail in the back. Let's pull our hair out like we always do. But one thing that I really like, that I think that makes your ponytails look a little bit better and a little bit more put together, is to pull a little bit of your ponytail out like this. And then you just wrap it around the back side and then bobby pin it in. One other way that we can wear this headband is we can take the front part of our hair like this. We can put this headband back in like this and leave some hair out. That's really cute too. Because it's really what I've found, accessories aren't really necessarily, they don't need to do a job. They don't have to hold your hair back or anything like that. They are literally accessories. You can just add them to any type of hairstyle and it makes it look so cute. So what we could do is you could leave it down like this if you wanted to, or what I did Sunday is you could pull it back like this, and you could pull some of this out if you wanted to. That's a little bit too much. You could pull like this out, and you could curl these, and that would look really cute, like that. And you just put the ponytail in. Yet again, just pull your top part out. How cute is that? So cute. Another one that I want to try. So I'm just going to do a messy bun. So whatever you would do, put your bun up on your head. Okay, messy bun. There we go. Looks pretty messy to me. And then I got this. It's a way to just throw, you have a messy bun, and then you just put this in it like this. It's got a little stick that goes with it. You just make sure that you get it through the ponytail holder, and voila. It's a way to make your messy bun just look a little bit more put together. But that is cute to me. Just a way to add something a little different to it. And then I have this one. And this is just a little U shape. You can put your hair in it. It doesn't have to be clean or any, I mean, you know what I'm saying? Like, it doesn't have to look organized or anything. Almost the messier the better. And then it goes in the hole. If I can find the hole, there it is, in the hole. Through the ponytail holder, out to the other hole. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And if you didn't like all that, you know, you could tuck all that down and make it look really, really cute. Just put a bobby pin here. And just pull this out if you want to. It'll give you more of a little bump. Yeah, that's cute though. Real cute. Bobby pins are so in right now as decorative things, so you can use these as decorative pieces in your hair. So if you wanted to, which I saw at the Kelly Clarkson concert, come through that. So she had her hair like this, kind of down. You know what? She had her hair parted down the middle, like this and like this. And then she had the back combing. Two pieces forward, more forward. Kind of pull it back like this. And I think I even want to take this part and pull it back in there. I just want just really a fringy area. So we can, and then what we can do is we can pull this out, this little side here. There you go. So it doesn't look just like you have just these two big front pieces, but you can pull these little sides out. And they're always shorter anyway, so they're gonna hang kind of nicely for you. You're smoothing these sides out. Leaving that top a little bumpy. It's a little bit bumpy still to me. There we go. Get our elastic. Like so. And we want to use our little tool to pull out our back combing. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Feel it there with my fingers. Put them in like almost maybe backwards so that the straight part is on the outside. And you could do like this and you just lay them in there. Bam. Just like that. Then you can go one more if you want to, or you could do multiples. Just want to make sure that you just lay it on the top. I did that one backwards because I'm so used to it. I mean, and I think 50 come in a package, so you could have your way with it if you wanted to. And just do it and do it and do it. But that's even just so cute. Just added to. You could add it to the other side if you wanted to. That is so cute. You know, one of my favorites that I've seen a ton around, and I think it's so cute. It reminds me of when I was little. I'm gonna keep this back combing good again. Keep it good and locked in there. You don't have to back comb if you don't want to. I think it just kind of adds a little bit. have pizzazz to it, but this is also where you can take it like this. You don't have to have a super straight part if you don't want to, but you pull this back like this, and it's this cute little clip. Oh, it has hair all over it. Is that not cute? It's got little pearls on it. And then you just put it right here. You want to do it at a little bit of an angle. And it's a pop snap clip, so you just snap it in place. And if you do have some problems with hairs flying, you know, like coming over the top of it like that, you can just take a bobby pin and you just bobby pin that hair down, and then it'll keep it from coming over the top. You just bobby pin it down into your clip. I want to try a little thing. You also have to keep in mind too that your hair is going to, if it's blonde, it's going to show up so much better. Like you can see as I get the blonde in the braid, it starts to show up a lot better, but that dark braid doesn't really show up that much. Doesn't mean that you can't do these things, it just means that you have to try to do them a little bit bigger or bolder. I'm gonna put a rubber band on the bottom of it. I got these jump rings, so they're just little circles. They go on necklaces. Use the bigger one. And I'm going to hook it in, bend it open a little bit, and hook it into my braid. And then just kind of bend it. I love it. I'm totally doing this. I am totally doing this for a night out or for some type of party. I don't know, but this is so cute. You just bend it back. I think I'm gonna do one more. And then I'm going to take this gold thing and I'm gonna put an X back here. X marks the spot because we're using them as accessories anyway, so it doesn't matter if they show up. That is so cute. Okay. This headband is awesome. See, these are actually just go behind your ear. These go all the way around. So you could wear it like this if you wanted to, and you could pull all of this up in there and kind of tuck it all in there. Oh, it's so romantic. And I love the satin. So those were some really fun accessories. I had fun putting them in my hair and showing you how to do them. That's what's important. We want to have fun doing our hair. We want to style our hair and feel beautiful and know that when we go out that we look great and that our hair is going to get compliments and that people are going to say, oh my gosh, I love your headband. Where'd you get it? Or oh my goodness, I can't believe that you used these rings for necklaces. I know that you're going to have so much fun using these accessories, and I want to thank you for watching and have a great hair day.